When I became a mother, I went through a spiritual awakening. When I reached the awakened state, I realized what I had done. And I tried to retrace my steps and then write it all down in a philosophy and in a framework so that I can pass it on to other mothers, because I really feel that this information to have is profound, and I have discovered the missing link to help you figure out what is that empty void inside. What is that insatiable and empty void inside that you constantly think you need filling? And when you become a mother, you are entering in a new phase. This new phase is very important because motherhood basically catapults you to a higher frequency. But that higher frequency doesn't necessarily mean that you're on a high vibration. A high frequency means your vessel is now able to receive more life force energy and more information that comes with it. And that information can become overwhelming if you do not understand what is happening to you.